Perfect. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna load it up with some chlorine and everything. I'm going to recharge my Froggies. I don't know if y'all have seen this before, the Froggies device, floating for spas. It's excellent, I highly suggest that. I'm gonna get the replacement chlorine disc and snap it on to show you how easy it is. Hold on. All right, so your Froggies, the mineral side of the disc is the blue side. The chlorine side is the gray side. So all you have to do is open the package, just like that. Slide it on out, and that's what it looks like. And you see the little keyhole here. That and that keyhole marry each other, and then you just twist it, and you'll hear it click, and it's done. I went around, and if you don't have to go around, you'll see there's a little lock indicator here, and there's an indicator here. You just line those two up. It's super easy. Then to control the amount of chlorine that goes into your hot tub, on the bottom of it, there's a line, an indicator. Now for mine works really good around 2. So 1.5, 2, mine's a small hot tub. And so I'm just going to dial it to 2. Once you do that, you're ready to put in the hot tub. And just like that, you're ready to go. I hope you enjoyed it. Later.